ISO 29001 certification is the quality management standard for organizations working within the oil, gas and petrochemical industry supply chain. ISO TS 29001-2010 provides additional requirements to ISO 9001 specifically intended for the petroleum, petrochemical and natural gas industries. As a leading provider of management system certification and associated training services to the petroleum, petrochemical and natural gas industries, DAS is in an ideal position to provide services to this international technical specification. Benefits of ISO 29001 best practice. It is envisaged that it will become the common basis for the industry's quality management systems requirements worldwide, so helping to reduce or eliminate multiple assessments with the additional benefits of reduction in disruption to the business, associated paperwork and costs. Competitive edge. Increasingly, organizations within the supply chain will need certification against this standard in order to secure contracts. Continual improvement. Development of a quality management system that provides continual improvement, emphasizing defect prevention and the reduction of variation and waste in the supply chain and from service providers.